Hey everyone, it's TK from Profit Stream, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make and edit videos on Canva for your product. There are different types of marketing videos. We're gonna start off with the demo video. The demo video is best suited for products. It can change your perception on that product. Next we have the explainer video. The explainer video shares the problem that your customers have and your solution to fix them. Now you have the testimonial video. The testimonial video is about people sharing success stories with your product. And finally, we have the informational video. The informational video highlights a product in a way only a video can. And today I'm gonna show you how to make an explainer video on Canva. So the explainer video goes like this. At the first part of the video, you're gonna highlight the inconveniences and pain points of your customers. At the second part of the video, you're gonna highlight your product, which is their solution. And at the end of the video, you're gonna put in a CTO, that's a call to action, to lead your customers to buy your product. You're gonna open Canva, and you're gonna pick Instagram Reel. Now, Instagram Reels and TikToks are basically the same, okay? So, now, you're gonna go to elements here on the left side. Now, I picked a couple of videos here. Now, in the beginning of the video, we want to show the pain points and the problems that our clients will have. So, for instance, we're gonna be selling today the neck pad, okay? So, our target audience will have neck pain, okay? So, this guy has pain in his neck, okay? Now, we open up another page and put in another video, pain, okay? Now, let's go through them one by one, okay? Now, first off, this video is 32 seconds long. It's 32 seconds too long, okay? Now, the attention span of your audience is between 2 and 5 seconds. So, we want to make it short and simple. Let's make it 5 seconds. Now, we right-click on this. We put in set video as background. Now double click. We take it to his face. Now we test it out. He's in pain. Okay, now the next video. We'll do the same steps. Okay. Double click to the right. I feel bad for him. Okay, now the third video. Okay, so now we need to put some transitions in because it looks bad, like, you see. If you hover over the video, there's this button here. You press it, you add a transition. You can pick whichever transition you want. I like this one. And I'll click on apply between all pages. So it looks like this now. Perfect. Okay, so now that we highlighted the client's problems, let's give them the solution. Our neck pad. So we'll just add this video here of a satisfied customer buying her neck pad. Double click, right click, set video as background. Remember to keep it short and simple. Perfect. Get you someone that holds you like this girl holds her pillow. We add in another video. Now we add the transitions. Now let's see how our video is looking. Good. That's great. Amazing. Perfect. Now we need to do a call for action. The call for action is just basically you saying that buy it now. Perfect. Now we need to add some text, okay? Now for the text you need to pick a cool font, cool looking font. Here you have some font combinations. If you like one of them, put it in, but just make sure it's aligned with the video, okay? So you don't want to pick a font that's meant for luxury and put it here, okay? Um, you can Google which font to use, okay? So you're just gonna click on text here on the left, add a text box, problems while sleeping. Now this question brings up the problem your clients have, okay? So this is an attention grabber. So it has to be perfect, the font and the color. Now each color has a different meaning, okay? Now these are the colors and their meanings. Now you can dive deeper into that. Okay, we're gonna use yellow for this video. Here you can pick the colors. Let's pick this yellow. Okay. Now that we have our color, let's dive into the fonts. Now the fonts are like the colors, each font has a meaning, okay? I'm gonna choose this one. This one looks good, okay? Now, we wanna make it bigger. Even bigger. Okay. Now let's add some effects. I like to use the shadow effect, personally. Here you can play with it. As you can see, let's keep it like this. Blur, I want it blurred. Echo. Okay, let's make it bold. Now we added some effects. Let's add some animations. You can pick whichever animation you'd like. I personally like this one. This is good. You can animate it on both entering and exiting the video. I like to do it that way. You can play with its speed. You want it to come in slow. You want it fast. So let's see how it looks now. Okay, looks great. Perfect. Now to the second video, let's add another inconvenience your clients might have. Let's add another text box here. Let's say poor sleep. Let's add the same effects. Okay, make it bigger. Let's put it up here. Animation. Okay, let's add another one. Now you have to take in perspective the contrast. So if it's yellow, you can't put it here. Here it's best. Okay, so you see black on yellow. Looks good. Let's play it. See? Looks good. Introducing our new neck pillow. I'm just gonna speed it up here, okay? Okay, so let's see the final results. Looking good, looking good. So let's go through a couple of things. Now here, I made this one 50% off bigger because I want the clients to see this before I want them to see the get yours today text. This is called text hierarchy. So when a text is more important than another, you make it bigger, bolder. That way you'll grab the attention. Now here, because of the contrast, I couldn't use yellow here for obvious reasons. Now here I used the blue color because it's the same as the foam pillow, okay? And I gave it a white background. Here you can put the background color. Let's say it's black. You see it doesn't look good. Red doesn't look good. Purple doesn't look good. White makes it pop out a bit. This is called a CTA, call to action. Now the call to actions are to guide the viewers towards the next desired step. And that's it for today. Now you know how to edit your videos, how to crop your videos, how to add text, how to animate them, how to add effects, about the hierarchies. about the colors and what they mean, and you know about the contrast between colors. And you can do this with all types of marketing videos. So good luck. Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Till next time, it's TK from Prophet Stream.